Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your black and white photo into a color photo using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a design on my Canva. And first of all, we need to go to the Canva apps to get Colorize app. You can select the apps menu and here you just need to type in Colorize. Okay, and then you can choose this one, Colorize, or actually there are other apps you can use to color your photo. You can also choose the Colorify, but I'm going to choose this one. And then we can choose our photo. Click on choose file. And for instance, I'm going to select this photo. I'm going to click on open. And then I'm going to click on Colorize image. Okay, and now it's still processing guys. We just need to wait until the process complete. And then don't forget to click on Colorize and replace. Okay. Alright, and this is the result. As you can see that my picture has been turned into a color picture, but I think that's not perfect, but that's okay, at least we try. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn our image, turn our black and white image to color image using Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.